world may have changed with the advent of COVID-19, but at Radisson Blu Ikeja GRA Lagos, we are prepared to ensure that, as always, guests have a haven of security, safety and comfort. Need proof? Then take a walk with us. Armed with an all-inclusive set of antiseptic cleaning agents approved by the Lagos State Ministry of Health, you will be walking into a germ-free environment where all surfaces and high-contact areas have been thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. From the counters to the tabletops, the banisters to the door handles, the elevator buttons, and all other surfaces, we have gone all out to provide an aesthetically pleasing and hygienic environment. And going beyond surfaces, our fumigation team ensure that unwholesome particles that may be lingering in the air stand no chance of survival. Our rooms at Radisson Blu Ikeja Lagos have always been a charming mix of luxury and comfort, but with the advent of COVID-19, we have taken further steps to ensure that they remain germ-free havens. Let's walk you through our comprehensive cleaning process. Armed with personal protective equipment and germ-killing agents, our room service staff thoroughly clean and sanitize every area of the space with the utmost of care. When bedding and dirty linen are changed, so are the protective gloves worn by our staff to ensure that no germs are transferred to fresh bedding. After thoroughly ridding all surfaces of dust and unseen particles, an antiseptic spray is used to disinfect every surface, nook and cranny, from the headboards to the tables and even the remote control. No single area of the room is left untouched. Apart from eliminating germs from the interior of the hotel, we ensure that no unwanted microorganism is brought in. Our baggage scanners are thoroughly cleaned and disinfected to avoid transference of germs. All guests also have to adhere to approved health measures and screenings before they are welcomed into the hotel. In line with the new social distancing requirements, we have put in place measures to ensure that our guests can comfortably maintain a 6 feet distance from each other, whether in the lobby or meeting room. Adopting a cashless policy to avoid cash transference of germs, our point-of-sale machines are also carefully sanitized before transactions. Also sanitized are our guest room keys. And we offer a complimentary hand sanitizer to help keep everybody safe. And if you're up for some delicious and nutritious food, be rest assured that our restaurant and cafe staff make sure every inch of the kitchen and service area is painstakingly cleaned. Whether you're in the mood for a wholesome meal or a treat for your sweet tooth, you can be certain that your refreshments are hygienically prepared and packaged for your well-being. Be it for relaxation, leisure, or business, Radisson Blu Ikeja GRA is equipped and ready to ensure that our guests stay safe, secure, and satisfied.